Hi, I'm Valerie McClure from The Stop Shop. We're a manufacturer of automotive hardware and fluid transfer products, including brake, fuel, and transmission lines located in Central Ohio. Whether your customer needs tubing, fittings, clips, or hardware to make their own lines, or if they prefer our CNC pre-bent brake lines, we've got you covered. No matter if you're a small shop or a representative from a large chain of auto parts stores, we can take care of your needs. So if you don't mind, we'd love for you to check out our products and our videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 614-557-3442 or email us at info@thestopshop.com. We look forward to hearing from you.